ഇപ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് അറിയും മലയാളം യായ മനസ്സിലായി and next Malayalam movie also I think the movie worth it. We are not biased. हम bias नहीं है कि ये हमको भी अच्छा लगा this time.
What difference is it you find in Bengali movie and acting in Malayalam movie?
Actually you take no problem. I'm with her. So that's the reason you will see half of the Bengalis are settled in Kerala now. So jokes apart, so once again emotional with Bhagwati. Thank you. Okay, keep this. Beautiful, Jitko. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Bhagwati Moksha. In all his posts, he's mentioned that. Thank you so much. Touched. Thank you. Vijan sir, please come, sir. Please come. Come. Thanks, Ranjit. Thanks to MOFC, the biggest support from Kerala I have been getting. A new member, please come. Arunji, Arunji, Surajji, we missed you. I met them before. Thank you, new members of MOFC. It's a very big support for me as a non-Malayali in Kerala. Thank you so much. I'm touched. I don't know where to keep such love. Please, sir, come. Please, sir. Shake. Thank you, sir. You please come. Bhagwati. Sir, you hold this Bhagwati.
ചിരിക്കൂ ഞാൻ
Emotion. Thank you for support. Neham, thanks for the support. Isko sir, Vijan sir, please mingle for some. We are very emotional.
Okay.
Moksha. Please ask your friends and family also to watch Shitini. Please, Please ask your friends and family to watch the film. We are competing with the big movies, with the big stars. So I am me and other two girls are only traveling here and there, promoting the film, without any much big support. I think the movie worth it. We are not biased. हम biased नहीं है कि ये हमको भी अच्छा लगा this time. I think we are all fighting for justice. So this time movie release. So thank you for the the support means a lot to us. Please keep your support. We are budding actors. If you will support, आप लोग अगर हमको support करेंगे हम और भी अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं. और अभी मलयालम इंडस्ट्री तो सबसे ऊपर मेरिट का इंडस्ट्री है. Entire nation looks up to Malayalam films, in terms of merit and making. And there, even if you have a star or not, doesn't matter. If a merit making talents undavu, so movie hit. Like we have seen a very good movie as Manual Boys. So Premalu. So thank you so much for the love and support. Please spread the movie with all friends and family so that we can give justice to Chittini, Abhaya, Nirbhaya. Thank you. Please, Pavel sir, please.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പടം ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു എന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞു. അങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും മറ്റുള്ളവരെ കൊണ്ടും കൂടെ ഇത് കാണാൻ അവരോട് പ്രേരിപ്പിക്കുകയും അങ്ങനെ ഈ പടം മറ്റുള്ളവരിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കാനും ശ്രമിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ അത് വലിയൊരു സഹായമായിരിക്കും. അതാണ് നമ്മൾക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സത്യമല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുക.
I think Kallanum Bhagavathiyum, my first Malayalam movie, that was completely different, and it was unexpected that Vijayan sir, he will make such a movie in this level. I mean, we were shocked to see the movie, and some of the scenes till now I can't watch, especially the Chittini's, that hanging scene. So I think it's actors, directors movie, technicians movie, actors movie. So we all try to do our level best, and now we have taken, me and the other girl, I mean we have taken the responsibility to promote the movie. So that's what we are doing. So please ellavarum support cheyu. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please, like the movie, right? Please come. Kids. Ishtamaya movie. ഇഷ്ടമായോ? ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് പറയൂ. Please take the cake now. You take no problem. I will tell you take. Tissue देना. Thank you. Please tell everyone to raise hands and support us. The Bengalis also wear like this big bindis. Thank you so much. Ishtamayo. Please tell friends, family, everyone. Varam. Thank you for coming and watching. Thank you. She is my sister. Like, yeah. She is promoting there in Kochi. You have to come.
എടാ ആര്
Second Malayalam.
Second Malayalam.
Chittini.
Ade.
So how do you feel about it?
It's too good. It's actually a completely director, technician, actors, full package movie. So we really didn't expect, no, we will see this output, and we are getting such good 95% more than we are getting very good reviews. I mean all the journals, from Times, everywhere, and even people liking it. The only thing is now I think so many big movies have released. So that's the only, being, newcomers only, it is we are the only ones promoting the movie. So that is the reason we are very happy and excited with the request. Please do support us. Please spread the movie Chittini. I hope nobody is, going, with a very bad face, or everyone is like going with a, okay, feel good, or, little emotional also at this moment, at this point of time. So that's the only request. Please spread the movie Chittini. Now Malayalam industry, in terms of merit, it is the highest industry in India. If you have talent, merit, good making, good audience, then movies are working out. That's the only thing I can say, and I'm indebted to East Coast Vijayan sir. Back to back in 2 years, he made such movies, fighting alone without any big support. To be very frank, I've been telling this, without any big support, he is just fighting, making movies out of his passion, giving chances to the newcomers. So that is a very big thing, and the title I got from my first movie, Bhagavati, from Kallanum Bhagavati, that I can never, and the soil of Kerala, which I have received from the soil of Kerala. So I will be indebted to, Malayalam industry and Kerala, and I promise I will give even greater and better films. Thank you.
One small doubt. What differences did you find in Bengali movie and acting in Malayalam movie?
Actually, Bengali movies and Malayalam movies, if you see, they are very similar in terms of taste and performances. So that's the reason you will see half of the Bengalis are settled in Kerala now. So jokes apart, so I think Bengalis are fan of Malayalam movies, and we look up to the best, and I think this is the era of Malayalam movies from last year mid till this year. We are just Malayalam movie everywhere, from Cannes to everywhere. So that's the best thing, and I am very proud that I could be a small part in the Malayalam film industry. Thank you. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So as you told, most of the Malayalam movies are blockbusters this year. So were you also expecting a
Blockbuster? That really don't know. For that, no, because for that we need a team to promote. Here you can only see I am traveling, how much me and other two girls she's doing in Kochi. So for that, I don't want to say it in public. We are trying our, and I am a non-Malayali. Maybe the Malayalis, they might not understand me so much. So that is the only problem I think we are facing. But if through mouth of words, it can reach out. If you all will take to the common audience, I think it might get a blog. I don't know, it might get a good hit maybe. That's a.
Ma'am, are you willing to learn Malayalam?
Ipo koruchu ariyu Malayalam manasilai, and next Malayalam movie also I'm doing a very, very strong, even on women empowerment. 9th is the puja, so all of you are coordinate.
In the future movies in Malayalam, will we be hearing your voice in Malayalam?
Yeah, definitely. That's what definitely. Probably I will be dubbing for the next. Even I have done a recent ad, a brand ad. There also I might be dubbing it. So and you can
the voice, the dubbing artist who dubbed for me, you won't believe the exactly voice pattern mine, and it's so such beautifully matched. And all the dialogues, you know, were made to learn. I was made to learn the dialogues, by heart the dialogue, because Vijayan sir orders he won't let me do. So for proper modulation to everything I said, whatever you saw I said that. Just she gave the voice because of the accent. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, yeah, sure.
ഇടയ്ക്ക് വെച്ച് വേണ്ട പുറത്തേക്ക് പോയാൽ വീട്ടിൽ വേണം.